Hi, it's Neil here from the Dirt Floor Workshop. Today I'm going to show you some teeth that I made for my dragline bucket. Normally dragline bucket teeth just come straight out, but I've got these coming round at a really aggressive angle. I don't know how they're going to work. I'll have to wait and see, I guess. I had them cut out a 450 grade plate, 70mm thick. Wasn't easy to drill those holes. I had to get a tungsten carbide tip drill, but I did it. Anyway, leave your predictions in the comments section and I'll have to wait and see how it goes. Thanks for watching.